Welcome to Touring and Trails. If you're new to the channel, I'm Jim. This week, I ran out of money. I can't afford to be at a campground. So we're doing some boondocking, should I say mooch docking. And I'll tell you what, it's good to have some friends because...
Welcome to CK Piney Woods.
We're at the CK Piney Woods, and Piney Woods it is. Look at this backdrop. So we're on about 43 acres of the most beautiful woods you're gonna find out here in East Texas. So we're so excited to be here. No power, no cell signal,
no water,
no waters, and no worries. So we're gonna jump right into it. Just got set up. It's time for a cold snack. We're gonna chill out and have a good time. So let's do it.
You've seen these at Walmart?
Rita. Ooh, that's what I'll call it.
A 12 pack of these is like $10.
Man, I ain't
They got
bad.
like lime and strawberry, but it's a carbonated
Be
margarita.
a little refreshment and a
It's
cold
pretty,
snack.
yeah, it's pretty good.
Strawberryta. Start out with a regular old-fashioned cold snack. Fella's so excited to get a cold snack, stirring eggs around in there. I don't want to do that. That's be a mistake. What you think about a Scout? Scout's got she doesn't have a cold snack. She can't drink those, so she's got whatever water she didn't spill over. Miss DeeDee, I don't know what she's having, but it's probably nothing I would want. So she likes that yeah, what do they call it? Cola pop. Yeah. Water will rust your pipes too, so you got to be careful with that.
Here you go, friend.
And she got her a cheers.
A little cold snack too.
Oh yes.
Cheers. Welcome.
Thank you.
Glad you guys are here.
Oh, glad to be here. This is gonna be great. Found out there is a burn ban, so that's the one thing that we do have to overcome. But Cheri and Kevin, they got ways of overcoming a burn ban. It's called propane. And who'd have thought after a 90-degree tearjerker gathering that we'd even be talking about wanting to stay warm? Because guess what? It got cool again. It's dropped down to 50-something degrees last night. Nice, cool 65-degree day. It's warmed up a little bit. I'm a little warmer than when I left the house because left out with some sleeves, and kind of like Kevin, I could do some short sleeves right now. It wouldn't be bad. But anyhow, so what's on the agenda for today? Nothing. Whatever the heck we want to do. We will eat. What are we going to eat? I don't know. We're going to have to wait and find out. So calm down out there. Don't get in a hurry, right? So we're gonna eat something good today. We always do. And we're gonna chill out, hang out by the old propane fire. Guess what? That just means we go to bed and don't smell like smoke. Not all bad. Not all bad. Time to get some food going. So we're gonna do good old traditional English fish and chips, because that's what you think about when you're boondocking. Chips, even French fries, in the air fryer, because that's what you do when you boondock. But that's what we're gonna do when we boondock. We're gonna bring enough power, hopefully, to power the air fryer. And Cheri's over here. Got some fresh Alaskan halibut.
Halibut.
Oh,
Just for the halibut.
good. Just I like it. That looks good. Oh,
And if y'all watch our channel, you got to remember, don't poison your people. So
Thank you.
That's why I'm wearing the gloves, because we don't have proper hygiene out here.
Yes.
Too well.
Yeah, so. Fish. So that's not the ones you want to go, finger looking good before it's cooked. No. So this ought to be good, and we're not going to get salmonella poisoning. Bonus, win-win. All right, preheating. Using up some juice. 1083. Seems happy. Seems happy. got some potatoes and salt and pepper, a little rosemary. Yummy.
Some might be a little more crispier than others, but
Crispy is good. Get out of here. Fish, fries, all fresh.
You didn't get enough fish.
Fish is from Alaska. Fries are from Idaho, I guess. All right. Well, Fireball's gonna make it better, and now that we brought the marbles out, I have a chance now. So
Yes, yes. Well, and then you're also going to partner with Kevin, who's the champion of the evening. So
Guys against gals.
I got a ringer over here.
us girls are gonna
cows.
win.
Here we go.
Feel
Gonna
another
win.
championship coming on.
Let's do it.
Oh yes. Looks like nature's wishing well. I didn't bring any pennies with me though. So. Still got old deer blind out here. This could actually be a nice boondocking site. Yay. Oh, those are from the feeder, okay.
I think they staked it down so the hogs wouldn't turn it over.
Yeah. Call this one the property line trail. Another clearing out here, another deer blind. So this is the Dead Crow group. All right. Farmer Kevin, you're about ready to be in business. So That's it. All right. Gotta say, who wants to climb the ladder first? Yeah. Yeah. Nice clearing though. Check this out. Hog pen.
Shoot him and hang him right there.
There it is. No luck catching any yet.
Gotta make it taller to keep the deer out of the corner.
Yeah, the deer can jump through that, that's for sure. And they have the ability to jump out. That's cool. Just another little Easter egg hiding out here, isn't it? I like it. Gosh, explored days out here.
And again, when we purchased the property, this was full of garbage.
Wow.
It was full. Chairs, desk chairs,
Oh,
People would bring their old office chairs out
Targets.
here to, you know, sit in while they're hunting.
tires,
There's a bunch of office chairs.
and tires. And
Yeah.
those big targets, like arrow targets.
Yeah.
The Firestone.
Mm.
Styrofoam.
mm-hmm.
It's very-
That looks like a Sasquatch den. Kevin, you want to see if you can get one out?
Let's send Cheri in there.
All right, Cheri, she volunteered. Okay. Pretty crazy.
I mean, look out for snakes. There's tin or metal or something right there.
Right.
Like, what would this have been used? Just hunting? Or, well, like,
Hunkering down, waiting.
Somebody was definitely building something.
Pretty cool though. Somebody had some time on their hands. It's just a little too low. Drop some bacon in there. Why not? I like that. Okay, let's try that. Wrapping up. Let's garnish it with cheese. Uh-oh. Okay, so time to cook it up. A little bit more, buddy. Put this onto the stove top. Okay. See you in about 10 minutes. You look and you ain't cooking, but I just gotta look, because look at those popping up. That one I'd say is ready. The only one not ready might be that one. So let's check it with the poker. Right here. So we're gonna actually coming out quite nice. Reveal here. Ta-da!
Bubbly goodness.
That looks good. Yeah. World famous sausage roll, for lack of better terms. What do you call it? I don't know.
Sausage.
What you got there, baby?
So, who's ready to eat?
Me.
Let's do it.
Let's go chow down. We'll catch you in a few. Well, that's gonna do it for this week's adventure at CK Piney Woods, the best of boondocking.
Yes.
Had a great time.
Mooch
Mooch-docking.
Mooch-docking.
Absolutely, because it was $0 this weekend. Hey,
Yeah.
thanks for the invite. Thanks for the great night. It was so much fun.
Good food.
Good food, good friends, and good old puppy dog. So anyways, where to next week? I don't know. You'll have to find out on Thursday because the adventure never ends. But until then, give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe. We'll see you down the road.
Thanks for tagging along.
We'll see you on the next adventure.